Look, America. He's going off. Going off. He's going off, America. He just woke up, America. He just woke up, America. This is what happens, America. America, don't drink that fucking Budweiser, America. America, we're going upstairs, America. We're going upstairs, America. This is what happens. This is fat America. She drops it like it's hot. We walking into the pit. America, these are all the witnesses of do not drink and thank you driving. He had his arm out, America. He was making a left turn. And he said, hey, get out of here with that shit, man.